Now, in the third demo, I'm going to show you how to use the DigiMango data integrator engine to extract data from the source database, which is AdventureWorks database, and upload it into the AdventureWorks target database in one go. I'd like to show you first how different the two databases is in their data structures. So this is the source database data structure, and this is the target database data structure. You can see they have very different data structures. Now let's open the integrator engine's job configuration file, which is sort of similar to the mapping spec, but more integrated. As you can see here, the integrator engine does not reinvent the wheel. All it does is it passes on this DB to XML mapping spec to a DB to XML engine and asks that engine to extract data from the source database and generate an XML. Then, without saving the XML into a file, it directly hands the XML over to a XML to DB engine and give this XML to DB mapping spec to that engine, so that the engine knows how to upload the XML into a target database. I'll show you that this DB to XML mapping spec was exactly the DB to XML mapping spec that we used in the first demo, the DB to XML demo. And this XML to DB mapping spec is exactly the one that we used in the second demo, which is the XML to DB demo. Now let's start the integration process. So now data is being extracted from the source database, going through the XML pipeline directly into the target database. Finished in 20 seconds. Now let's have a look at what are in those tables in the target database. First, let's have a look at the order table. Let's get rid of this top 1000. You can see there are 4011 orders that have been migrated across. They are all the orders in the AdventureWorks source database. Now let's have a look at this order line table. You can see from here there are close to 9,000 order lines. You see here is the checkbox called Save to XML Files during integration. If we tick this checkbox, then when the data goes through the XML pipeline, it will be intercepted and saved into XML files before they are uploaded into the target database. So let's delete records from the target database. Now the target database is empty. Then let's start integration. Now let's look at the folder where the files are supposed to be saved. And you can see they are being created first as XML, then zipped. Finished in 22 seconds. So let's have a look what at the target database and see whether they are the same. So this is the order line table. Rerun the query. You can see still close to 9,000 order lines. And then let's unzip this zipped XML files. Let's have a look how much data is contained in this file. At the left bottom of the screen, you can see the total size is 7.5 megabytes. Therefore, you can see the integrator engine migrated data which are 4,000 orders and 9,000 order lines between two databases with very different data structure in 22 seconds. I think in all the three demos, I have successfully demonstrated to you that the XML ETL Suite is very easy to use and very fast. In following other demos, I will demonstrate to you how completing feature the Digimango XML ETL Suite is. But for now, bye. Thanks for seeing this demo.